Welcome to Port Stephens Library. My name is Nikki and today I'm going to show you how to access PressReader. PressReader is a database which allows you to view local and international newspapers and magazines. So first off, let's go to our website. So type in Port Stephens Library. Scroll down a little bit to find our main page here, Library at Port Stephens Council. This is our home page. What we want to do is scroll down to what's called eLibrary. Click on the eLibrary. It'll bring you to a next page, and what we want to do is access the column here that says Read. Okay, we want to go to e-news. This will give us a list. We can access these different links. The one we want today, we're going to show you how to use PressReader. PressReader you can view on your computer or you can download the app as well. Today though, I'm just going to show you how to get into it on the computer. So this opens up PressReader. Some fantastic resources here and magazines, but before we do anything, the first thing we must do in order to access for free or through the library service is sign in. So this button up here, sign in. So you'll need your library card ready. What we're going to do, so don't type in your email address or password, any of that. What we want to do is access this database through the library. Okay, so click on library. Once this comes up, we need to find Newcastle Libraries. So start typing in Newcastle. And there we are. As soon as it pops up, Newcastle Libraries, we can select that. It's going to ask you for your library card number. So if you could type in your library card number, that is just close to your barcode, which is on your card. And then type in your PIN. If you can't remember your PIN, try 1234 or give us a call and we'll try and help you via the library. Okay, so sign in. Okay, it's asking you to give your email address and password. You don't need to do this at all. If you scroll down, you'll see this here. No thanks, I don't want the awesome bonus account features. We just want to log in as a guest. Okay. So there we are. So to look at newspapers, I'm just going to show you. See down here we have newspapers, 2,355 newspapers you have a choice of. Let's select that and see what comes up. Great, so we've got all sorts of newspapers here, the Washington Post, the Globe, newspapers in another language, Toronto Star. If you know the particular newspaper you're after, you can actually search up here in the search publications. I'm just going to type in Otago, which is a newspaper in New Zealand. There we go. Okay, so there is our newspaper. If we scroll to the right, we can see every page. Okay. If they're at the bottom here, you also have a quick reference to the pages. Just going to go into lifestyle by clicking at the bottom there, and it's going to come up with some various articles. Okay, let's just select one. So to select an article, just click on the title of it. It should sort of come up with a little bit of a highlight. Click on that. And that will bring us into the article. You can view it as a text. Makes it easier to read. Okay. Text page. Great. So there we are. That's how to view a page. You can go page view and look at the whole page, or you can select an individual article. Just like that. There we go, and that'll bring us into the article and you can read it. Okay, so good luck with that. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at Tomaree Library or Raymond Terrace Library, and and one of us will be happy to lead you through. Good luck with that, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.